we're having the computer prove statements in Boolean algebra from specific axioms or from previous theorems. I was wondering, is there a process that chooses which theorems to sort of try out for the steps in the proofs, and which axioms or previous theorems would be most helpful, or is it just sort of trying every single one and seeing?
No, this has become, so if you try and tree out the whole thing, it becomes immensely, that is, the main problem is to prune the tree and not try everything. And there are a bunch of techniques. So that particular axiom, that particular proof, ended up being there's in any case, that particular proof involved 100 steps or something. You can print it in small print. Which 100 steps and which lemmas should be chosen along the way, that is the main skill, is to figure it out. And there are some techniques that are fairly fancy that come from sort of algebraic methods. There's a whole technology called unfailing completion, which is it's a methodology for basically pruning the tree as you try and do theorem proving. And it's fairly fancy math, actually, that's been done to figure out how to do that. It's really something that transformed about 10 years ago from it being a kind of a let's just tree out all the possibilities and hope for the best to let's use. It's connected to things like Grosvenor bases, and it's connected to Knuth-Bendix algorithm. There's a whole cluster of things that all turn out to be equivalent that are what is used to prove those trees. Yes, we've lost.